As long as I don't get anything in the intake, I should be all right. Oh my God. I don't even know if we should do this, guys. Oh, whoa, whoa. Swamped it. What's going on, everybody? I hope y'all are having a great day. Change of scenery here. We are behind the handlebars on my girlfriend's CRF230L. I haven't got a lot of seat time on this bike, and since the 250L was down, I wanted to do a little bit of exploring today because we have had non-stop rain for weeks now. I mean, we've got dozens of inches of rain and everything is flooded, so I figured we'd go out and see what we can get into. At times like this, it just feels like a completely different world. I think this guy might have got stuck up here. How's it going? Wow. I don't know what those guys were doing, but I didn't want to stick around to find out. I went up and they didn't ask me for anything, so I left. This weather is crazy. It's super windy right now. It almost feels like tornado weather. But as you can see, guys, fields are just flooded everywhere, and the farmers are really hurting bad this year. This wind is literally blowing me off the road. This is crazy. Look at that dude's yard. A lot of these roads are closed around here. What is this? There's a cat? Aw. Hey, buddy. You alright? Damn, he's swimming. That cat had one eye. Oh man, check this out. I've never seen it flooded all the way up here. Oh wow, look at that field. I don't know how far we'll be able to go, but we'll find out. This stuff is super slick on the road. There's a heron just chilling in the road. I'm fully prepared to get my feet soaked. Oh my. Check that out, guys. Already in past the boots. I don't know if we should do this. I don't want to swamp this thing. This is a good way to get yourself killed. There's literally a current flowing through here. Alright, I am up to the engine. Any higher than that, I don't feel too comfortable doing this. Oh man. May the dirty 230 pull through on this one. That takes the liquid cooled to a whole new level right there. Oh my gosh. Just as long as we don't get it in the airbox. Is that a turtle? Check this out, guys. We're literally riding in the river right now. Honestly, guys, this is some of the most fun riding that I ever do, is dual sport riding. And I do not recommend to be doing this stuff by yourself. Water is no joke. I'm gonna see how far I can go. As long as I don't get anything in the intake, I should be all right. Ooh, that's when you know it's not safe, was when the current's pushing your tire. I may seem like I'm exaggerating, but there's a lot of dangers that come along with doing this, especially by yourself. Look at that. This is insane. I am riding in the river. This is the same level. This is the river. Okay. All right. We're getting a little high here. I promise you, I am not exaggerating a bit. Oh my gosh. I don't know if we can make it, guys. I am not trying to lose her bike in the river. Oh, up here looks super sketchy. If it gets any deeper though, we're gonna have to turn around. I know I'm getting repetitive here, but I'm kind of freaking out. That's pretty dang deep. All right. Oh my God. Oh, and I just stalled it. I hope it starts. Should be a nice time to have a John boat. We're good. Nothing for the dirty 230. I need a snorkel kit on this thing. I definitely do not think we can chance that because I don't even know where the road goes. Probably got catfish brushing up against my legs. I'm gonna go scout this out, but I don't think we're gonna be able to go any further. I just don't think it'd be a good idea. I wish I could, guys, but I'm having a look at that current brushing up against my legs. I don't want to lose the bike. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm tapping out. This is insane. No! I tell you what, guys, I just got to take a second to give a shout out to Viking Bags. This bag has been an absolute pleasure to use, and it's made riding a lot more enjoyable, having a place to store all of my camera gear, phone, wallet, all of the essentials. This is actually a tank bag, but in some cases, I just strap it to the back fenders of bikes. I've used this on literally all of my bikes, and I've absolutely loved it. I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. It's a must-have. It's really affordable, and it's been a pleasure to use. Well, I'm just kind of out here cruising, making the best out of a bad situation, and we'll see what we can find. I'm hoping to find some cool stuff. Let's go over to the bridge and see how high the water is, because I've never seen it touch the bridge, and it might just be that to that point. Yep, it's over the road. Man, that's got to be like a foot away from touching that bridge. I think we can get through here though. But look at that current. It's like waves coming over the road. Woo! Oh, we almost made it! Oh man, I drank some water on that one. Ooh. This is crazy. I have never seen the water this high, and I've been living in this area my entire life. But I hope you guys are enjoying. I'm having a blast out here exploring. Let's see what else we can find. Look how fast that is flowing over the edge right there. Man, this is the neighborhood dump back here. And these stock tires are not okay to be doing this with. I do not want to be stuck pushing. Looks like there's some four-wheeler trails down there. My mind's telling me no. You know what? Do it for YouTube. Ooh, this is sludge. What in the heck did I find? We are out here. This is sweet. Hopefully I can get through this creek. Oh. Oh, that was deeper than I thought it was gonna be. Ooh, now I gotta find a way to get up this hill over here. This is why I like quiet exhaust, guys. I know you're always like, man, why don't you have an aftermarket exhaust? This right here, I don't have to spell it out for you. But if I had some obnoxious FMF on here, everybody and their mom could hear me. Whoa. What if I like found a body down here? Oh man, that gave me goosebumps. Oh, no way. Did I just find a gas can? That's a good gas can. We might be taking that home with us. That's a good can if I've ever seen one. Even has the nozzle. You guys thought I was kidding. You know what? I really don't want to try this hill climb with a gas can in my hand. Oh, this is slick. We're gonna have to send it if we're doing this. And then look at that route. Oh man. You know what? This is just stupid with those tires. How long have I had that turn signal on? Whoa. Whoa. All right. I don't even know if we should do this, guys. The probability of me making this. Oh, shit. Sorry, Alexis. Shit, I knew that route was gonna mess me up. I'm so close. This is what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna get another run at it. If I can get up there, I'll be straight. Yeah. Oh, we made it. Drop a comment down below if this gas can was worth it. I'm not too sure. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I can't do that with my gas can in my hand. That's the way out though. Come on. Oh, I almost tripped. Oh shit. Oh shit. The 230 is down and flooded. Fantastic. Whoops. Sorry, Alexis. All right. See if we can make our way out of here. Yep, my tire's spinning. Oh, there's a trail. That's what you want to call it. Oh, it's too deep. I just got to keep my momentum. Last thing I want to do is be walking this out of here. Testing that suspension out, baby. I'm coming back for you later. So yes, guys, obviously somebody left that gas can. They came back there to like burn trash or something and just left it there. So I'm just cleaning up litter. Whoa, that's a steep drop off. I tell you what, guys, this right here is my favorite type of riding. Just low speed, semi-technical stuff, just out cruising, having a good time. This is true dual sporting right here. Urban dual sporting, I'll call it that. And honestly, guys, as long as you're respectful and you don't tear things up, I don't see anything wrong with this. I will tell you something about this bike for any CRF230L fans or owners out there. It like surges. What I mean by that is you can hear the throttle isn't getting stuck, but the RPMs will just stay high. Oh God, that was pretty deep. Oh, we're getting buried. I don't want to see what the world looks like in 20 years. I don't think there'll be any spots like this left. It'll all be developed. Whoa, whoa, swamped it. Damn it. I don't think there's any way to get up that. Nope, I just got myself stuck. You see what I'm talking about? That's what it is. Well, figured that out. All right, so I'm probably burning up the engine. That's great. Let's look into that another day. Oh man, there's one thing, the grab handle comes in handy. Oh man, we're stuck. I tell you what, I said it in the past video and I'll say it again. If you don't need a gym, just go dual sport. Whoops. Oh, there goes the mirror. What the f? That's fantastic. Oh, we made it. Well, guys, we're gonna come back to this on a later date. Oh, I'm losing daylight, but the choke cable is like bound up somewhere, so I'm probably burning up the engine, which is great. I'm gonna go pick up our can and we're gonna call this a video. My heart goes out to anybody affected by all this flooding in Ohio and surrounding areas. I hope you enjoyed this CRF230L natural disaster adventure. Love this bike. I know I didn't say too much about it, but it's a great bike. It's very capable. It's like a tank. I mean, these things are bulletproof. I'll definitely be doing some more videos on it. Like I said, we'll have a part 2 to this. I'll fix the choke issue, maybe get some different handlebars, some bark busters, and some tires, and we can really put her to work. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button down below, subscribe, have those post notifications on so you don't miss out on any videos. And until the next one, I'm out.